Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up WhatsApp messages on iPhone. First, backupping your chat is very important. It helps you to recover your message if you change your number, delete WhatsApp or lose your data. Let's get started. First, there are few things you need to check. Make sure you are signed in with your Apple ID. Also make sure Apple iCloud Drive is turned on. To check this, open the setting app on your phone, tap your name at the top. After that, tap iCloud and turn on iCloud Drive if it's already not on. Now let's back up WhatsApp. After that, open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Tap on setting at the bottom right, then tap chat. After that, tap on chat backup. Here you will see the last backup date and time. Tap backup now. WhatsApp will start backupping your message and media to the iCloud. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.